Hey everybody, it's Trucking Lock here, and I've been practicing a few days on a 4-pin cutaway practice lock, and I think I'm ready to challenge this Brinks 45mm laminated padlock. It has four standard pins in it, so let's give it a try. I'll be using this 40 thousandths thick tension wrench from Covert Instruments. I'll be using this Peterson gem. Let's see what we can do. Ooh, one's binding pretty good. Okay, gotta click on one. Two's binding. Gotta click on two. 3, click. Oh, that was 4, sorry. 4. I reset one whenever that popped. Okay, let's see. 1 is binding. Okay, 1 set. 2, and 3. Little click, number 4. Trucking A. We got the open. So, all that practice with the cutaway really did pay off. That is my first open of hopefully many to come. Remember, like and subscribe to follow my journey. And until then, happy picking.